Hey guys, and welcome back. This is just a very short video to show you how to install the Salesource extension to use it the most effectively. So if you head across to the Salesource website, you can see a few options in this top bar just here. So you click on extension and then you click add to Chrome. Awesome, now I have it set up, I can do two things. One is on Shopify and the other is with AliExpress. So what you can do is go to your favorite Shopify store or your biggest competitor, and you'll be surprised how many companies build their businesses on Shopify. So now I can see this little icon in the right hand corner and I can just hit Analyze Store. Right, so now I can see how much traffic they're getting per month, I know, how many products they have on their website, their average order value, and how much revenue they're making each month. I can also see what their best-selling countries are, and this is super surprising because I thought they were a big deal here in the UK, when actually their biggest market is the US, followed by Japan. And you can also see countries like Azerbaijan are right up on that list. So there may be countries here that you hadn't thought of targeting before. Okay, so we can then have a deeper look into their traffic. We can see what their best-selling products are and their most recent products are. Then we can look at their theme and which apps they're using. If I wanted to analyze a specific product, I'd go to the product page and analyze the product from there. The next thing you're going to want to do is hit up AliExpress and take a look at some of their products. When you click on the product page, another icon will appear on the right hand corner where you'll be able to see a lot more information on the product and different suppliers, and you'll be able to download the images and videos from the product page. Another thing that you're able to do is analyze the product. Thanks for watching this, and if you have any questions, just drop them in the comments below. Speak to you soon. See you.